Just got this email from Ruger. Mark IV Competition Signature Series. It's a 100-year anniversary, and I guess it comes with the knife too. William Ruger. Click on that. Just go to their page, Ruger. It's on the front page of their website. It's signed by William Ruger. 100 years. It comes with the knife also. So just go to Ruger. I'll put the link down to Ruger. Go to Ruger's page. And go to this website, Gallery of Guns. Click on your zip code in your area and you'll see what dealers will have it. It's still allocated, these guns. They still ain't out in full force. They said the list price of this was $1,065 for this gun. 100th year anniversary pistol. I'll put the link down. Just go to the website and you can check it out.